Please.
Yeah.
There's a customer, she might be she's coming today to pick up her soap. I
Okay.
don't know if I'm still with the lady, so the soap is just here and the, can I show you something?
Yeah. B, can I borrow you just for a sec? Um, so for the more advanced level posters, do we think we should change the room? So a teenager, for example, is not gonna have this sort of stuff on the wall. They might. They might still have stuffed toys and stuff. When you have time, you don't have to change it for this batch, but when you have time, do you want to see if you can find backgrounds for maybe something a little bit older kids, teenagers basically? Because I think as we get into more advanced ones, we probably need a few different backgrounds anyway, and same with the kids ones. Because all of our 90 posters are the same background. So maybe if we have when you have time, look for a couple of other backgrounds and see what we can do. Unfortunately, we have nothing here we can take a picture of, which is appropriate. Wise.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna start posting these ones now. We haven't posted anything in about 10 days.
Even the ones I made before my leave.
Yeah, basically, I think, let's have a look. Let's have a look. So, Alphabet, you now have a new one for me, right? Sports.
Yeah.
So that one I'll add. These three are done. Colors, there was nothing new, right?
Chinese versions.
Oh, they're done, are they? Okay. So they haven't been added yet, the Chinese versions. Language, synonyms, antonyms, nothing new here. Math, so only this 1 to 10 simplified and traditional needs to be done. But none of the other ones had Chinese versions, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to go here. Math, Science. 5 senses, we don't have Chinese. Periodic table, we don't have Chinese, right?
Yeah.
Shapes was done. So space, I've only put one, which I guess is this one. Oh, actually, I've only put the white one. You've done both, is it? Blue and white.
For which poster is
The solar system, I think. Yeah, so the solar system white is done. I can't even remember which language I did it now. Oh, simplified, I think I've done. Okay, so there's 4 more posters here to do. But none of the other ones are done yet, right? For space.
the individual ones?
Yeah, no, okay. So the solar system ones, I have 3 more to do. Traditional white, and then blue and white simplified. Oh, wait. Yeah, sorry, simplified and traditional. One simplified, one traditional, yeah. Space and then time. Oh, time you've done as well. So these ones haven't been posted in Chinese yet. Okay, so there's at least like, it sounds like at least about 10, 12 more to go. Okay, 10 to 12 more to go. Which ones are you working on now?
The transportation.
The alphabet. Okay. Okay. How is that coming along?
Halfway.
Yeah.
Yeah, on like some, like let's say for
Got it. Okay.
just see how
Okay. Sounds good. So actually, once I do this, what's already in the pipeline, that'll take us to over 100. Okay. How's filming coming along? I haven't seen you guys filming it.
Yeah, we haven't done any filming yet. Not sure of what on somebody's plate as of
Okay.
now, so
Go on with there and see if you can restart doing that, at least on a weekly basis.
sure.
And at least, yeah, get another 5-7 videos per week.
Okay. Have you transferred all of the files from your camera?
No, not yet. Not yet. I'll do that before you do your filming. Yeah, okay. Okay.
I still have a lot of videos that I haven't edited.
How many in your pipeline?
More than 20 of them.
Okay.
But I'll have to double check. But I know I have like, it's been a while since I've edited for today.
Okay.
And you also have like quite a bit uploaded.
Yeah, yeah, because I think I've only uploaded up to like 50 something. And I think you guys were filming like 120
Yeah, I
or
know.
130.
Yeah, we're at 156 right now.
Oh, you're 156.
Or we're about 86, okay.
So that means there's enough, and you've edited up to 130-ish. If you say you have about 20
Yeah.
more to do, right? So it's 19th April now. So what do you think now if, let's say, from the 1st of May onwards, I start uploading 2 per day, so there's about 100 videos that are done, so that's 50 days of content. Do you guys think you can record enough to maintain 2 per day?
If we get like 1 to 2 days per week, that would be an average of probably 14.
So then doable.
And then a best case scenario is if we can have like 1 day where we do 2 sessions, then that would be like 28. And then best if we can do like 2 sessions for 2 days, then should be doable.
I think it's doable. I think it's doable just because from the 3rd week of June, the class schedule will decrease again, holidays. So there'll be a lot more time to do things over summer. So if you take 50 days from now, that kind of takes you to the 1st or 2nd week of June already. And that's not including what you record between now and 2nd week of June. So it's possible to try and maintain that, because we need 600, right?
Yeah.
So we need to record another 450. So 455. So it's about 250, 270 days of content we need, which still takes us just into February of next year, Jan-Feb next year. And then HSK 4 is finished. Right?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so we try for that. So talk to Sunny, find out what time slots you can get for filming. And let's see what we can do in the next few weeks. Because Easter holidays is finished, so it might be a little bit busy. May will definitely be busy. But yeah, middle of June onwards, things should start tailing off. And your poster pipeline, there's enough there to keep you going, right?
If we do the constellations, yeah, the custom ones.
Right. Right, the custom constellations.
And also if we get the translations for the individual ones also too as well.
Then there's enough. What about new stuff?
New stuff, the flowers will take time. This one is pretty much almost done. But
Yeah.
probably like by next week I can give you the first draft.
Okay.
We talked about like worksheets, how we post
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's quite a useful. I think that's quite a useful thing to have actually. Okay. let me have a think about how to structure the worksheets. I've been thinking about it last couple of days. Okay, let me have a think what to do on that. Good morning. In theory, that should be a relatively quick one to do. And also quite useful to have. Okay. Anything else? Any other math ones?
Not really. We just talked about some ideas, but not really like concepts, like diving into the other math topics,
Okay.
like trigonometry.
Trigonometry was the other one.
Yeah.
Sine, cosine, tangent. I think that would be another useful one. I think that would be another useful one to have.
I just thought of another one.
Yeah.
You know the basic math rule, PEMDAS or GEMDAS?
Yep.
Maybe something like that also.
Yep. Yep.
Is there many formulas for algebra? I don't remember algebra that much.
It's the rules. It's not formulas as such. It's the rules that if you do something, so either PEMDAS or BODMAS, and then it's a rule that if you do something to one side of the equation, you have to do it to the other side. So if it's 3 times 4 equals 12, and let's say 4 is the x, right? So 3x equals 4, or 12. Then if you want x on one side, you have to divide one side of the equation by 3, because 3 divided by 3 becomes 1, and 1x is 1. But you have to do it to the other side as well, so 12 divided by 3, and then that 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So therefore x equals 4.
Okay.
And so it's more those sort of rules. But what you do to each side is dependent on PEMDAS or BODMAS. You multiply, do the brackets first, multiply, divide, to resolve a bracket before you move on to moving things either to the left or right. There's a few different things, so
I remember I was really good at it in college, and then after that class, I just forgot everything.
oh really? Okay.
Yeah, because I just wanted to get through with it.
Yeah, fair enough.
It was fun though,
Yeah,
like especially when I was the only one that understood it.
yeah, fair enough.
I also remember like the basic like math stuff. Like I know there was like properties of multiplication. Is that what it's called?
What exactly
I
is it?
forgot, but it was basically like that rule where 9 times 3 is the same as 3 times 9.
Oh yeah,
Like that stuff.
yeah.
I forgot what they were called, but I remember that there was that type of stuff for
Okay.
multiplication. I think also for division, not much for addition and subtraction though.
Yeah. And look it up and see if there is something that could also be useful for younger kids.
Yeah.
And there was the whole thing about fractions.
Oh yeah, right.
How do you add fractions, minus, divide, and multiply fractions?
Yeah. Is like something they teach in school.
They do. Also useful. Also useful.
Oh, there's also I still have to like do
Right.
That will take quite a bit of time. I feel like I would should be, is that categorized in the more advanced topics, or is it quite?
Depends how you do it,
So let's say like
because we have like 4, 5, 6-year-olds books about the human body as well, which says this is the heart, this is your arm, this is your brain, liver, that sort of stuff. And then it depends how much detail you put. It's two things: how much detail you put in. Number one. Number two, what the artwork looks like. So if it's too basic of a cartoon, that's for younger kids. If it's much more detailed, then you would have it for older kids.
detailed or too realistic,
Mm.
and that would take a lot of time.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And I don't think we tackle every single part. Like if we're going to skeletal system,
Yeah.
probably not gonna go too in depth.
Yeah.
Probably just the bigger bones.
Okay.
Okay, so there's quite a few.
Okay. Fine. Cool. Okay. Sounds good.
Then we also have to get back on the
Books.
yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
I think we're only have we even reached halfway for the puzzle book?
No, I don't think so. We got up to like chapter 4 or 5.
Okay.
So there's quite a bit more to do on that.